Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is full backup strategy. Today's question is, what is the backup or recovery strategy? So we have here full backup. Accordingly, it creates a complete snapshot of all data at once. So to take this for an example, let's say if you take a screenshot in your mobile device, whatever is in the screen, it will captures the entirety of it. Just like how full backup works, it completely saves everything all at once. Next, let's proceed to recovery. It restores the entire dataset, replacing existing data fully. So, to understand this, let's take this for example. You're creating a file or you're making a document. So, if you accidentally delete or misplace them, and then you have already saved that said file, you can use the recovery option, which is by finding, or you can find it through the recovery data option in the computer. So that's how recovery works. And lastly is requirements. It needs ample storage to save full dataset copies. So let's take this for example again, is that if you're trying to download a game or a resources and you don't have enough storage for it, it will never download everything what it was required in the said resources or game. So what it means is that you really need to comply the requirements of having an ample storage to make use of the full backup strategy. That's all.
How does this strategy work? So first, select the data. Choose all files and system data that need be backed up. Then second is backup process. So backup process, the selected data is compressed and copied to a secure backup location using specialized software. Then third, verification. So verification, the system check the backup to ensure that all data has been correctly copied and is usable. This ensured the backup is reliable. So fourth, cataloging. So it means metadata, information about the data. It's organized and indexed to make it easy to search and retrieve the backup in the future. So this strategy ensure data is safely stored, easily recoverable in case of data loss.
A backup strategy is the most useful in scenarios where data loss, system failure, or downtime can lead to serious consequences. Here are some key use cases. Number 1, disaster recovery. If there was a typhoon occur in our country, then our computer system has been being damaged caused by the typhoon, we can recover our data through online because we have the backup strategy. Number 2, ransomware or cyber attacks. Ransomware or cyber attacks can cause to corruption of your system or delete of some files in your system. Because of the backup strategy, we can clean backups and restore data without paying ransom or suffering data loss. Number 3, human error. If employee accidentally delete the important files of your system, because of the backup strategy, you can recover your important files that has been accidentally deleted.
In backup recovery strategy, there are advantages and disadvantages. And there are 6 advantages of backup recovery strategy. First is data protection, prevents data loss due to hardware failure, cyber attacks. accidental deletion or natural disasters. Second is business continuity, ensures operations can resume quickly after a disruption. Third is peace of mind, knowing you have backups reduces anxiety about losing important data. 4. Compliance helps meet legal and regulatory requirements. 5. Version control allows you to restore previous versions of files if newer ones are corrupted or unwanted. 6 is remote backup options. Cloud-based backups provide off-site storage, adding extra security and flexibility. And for disadvantages, there are also 6. First is cost. Initial setup, storage, space, and maintenance can be expensive. 2. Time consuming. Full backups can take a long time depending on the amount of data and network speed. 3. Storage management. Requires careful planning to manage backup space and avoid unnecessary duplication. 4. Security risk. If not properly secured, backups can be a target for cyber attacks or unauthorized access. 5. Human error. Mistakes during the backup or recovery process. The wrong data or failing to test can render backups useless. 6. Complexity. Advanced backup strategies like incremental differential backups might require technical knowledge to implement and manage correctly.
What types of database or organization benefits most from using this strategy? So ideal databases and organizations: the small businesses, limited and minimal transaction volume. The full system restored organization needs complete system recovery. Archival use, long-term data retention with low volatility.
Can you provide an example or case study where the strategy was used successfully? So, a case study successful full backup or an Acme Corp migration. So, an Acme Corp migration, a full backup, an Acme Corp immigration was a large manufacturer company with an operating in North America and Europe, managing ERP system, supplier databases, and internal document management system. So Acme Corp planned to migrate its on-premise ERP and database system to a new cloud-based infrastructure. This migration risks data loss or corruption if something went wrong during the transfer. So second one is a backup schedule. So a backup schedule is performed weekly for all key servers reliable. So a full backup strategy involves creating a complete copy of all critical data at regular intervals to ensure comprehensive data protection and quick recovery in case of data loss or system failure. So there's a backup schedule in case of losing your data. There's a backup schedule to restore all your data who miss it. And the third one is hardware failure. Rapid recovery minimize downtime drastically. So in event of hardware failure, a full backup strategy provides a reliable and efficient recovery resolution by ensuring that a complete copy of all data is readily available for restoration. So this meaning of this hardware failure, in case of losing your data, hardware failure you can use it to recover all of your data loss. And because of full backup capture, the entire system includes files, application, and configuration. Organization can quickly restore operation to the last backup points. So And this is particularly critical when failure is efficient primary storage system of. And then the last one is an outcome. An outcome downtime can cut by 80%, improving business continuity. So the outcome of implementing a full backup strategy is a robust and reliable data protection system that ensures complete data recovery in the event of loss, corruption, or disaster. An organization benefits from simplified restoration process since all data is contained in a single backup set, reducing complexity and potential errors during recovery. This strategy enhances business continuity by minimizing downtime and supports regulatory compliance by maintaining comprehensive and verifiable backup backgrounds. And additional, it builds confidence among the stakeholders by demonstrating preparedness for unexpected incidents such as a system crashes, cyber attacks, or the hardware failures. So, in the conclusion, uh, reliable protection, full backup form a foundation of data safety. Assets fit determine sustainable for your organization needs. So, combine approaches used with other strategies for robust protection.